Today, we will discover how to use our momentum scalping strategy with our best TradingView indicator. We will cover every detail of taking trades with the top-down analysis, weekly, hourly, and minute-based charts. If you are ready for this, let's start now. Let's keep working our momentum trading with our best indicator. This ARPA coin was the #1 top gainer by far, but it is by far the strongest coin of the day. Let's do a top-down analysis with weekly charts and keep going down. In the weekly, what I have noticed was this gigantic failed imbalance. This little sign gave me idea about buyers and sellers. I have sensed the weakness in the sellers and power in the buyers. This was already gave me the bullish vibes. And at the top, we had this another gigantic imbalance gap. I directly asked myself, are we filling this gap or not? Now the daily chart, this did not give me so many ideas about the buyers as you can see. There's nothing particularly interesting here. All I can say is buyers are trying to take the control here, as you can see. Another important reason that I have chosen this coin, we did not have any other great setups or coins today. Markets were not exciting at all to take trades. Here is our best indicator, which I love the most. As you know, it's called ICT, High Time Frame Candles. I love this indicator because it shows me multiple entry points in a single chart. It is compact and extremely easy to use indicator. So, due to our indicator, I have noticed that our assets were supercharging right here at this point. It literally tapped the 4 different time frame imbalances as you can see on the screen. And I said, this is it. If I was going to seek a trade, this was the right place to look for it. Please take a note of this counter imbalance as well, right here in the 30-minute time frame, because we will use it later on. Okay, now let's drop to the lower time frames to seek entries. Now we are in the 3-minute chart. Right after 4 different high time frame imbalance taps, I started to seek an entry. I was so happy because it was the first trade of the new week. I have noticed this lovely, strong market structure break right here and a nice inner imbalance to take the trade. Oh god, I was 99% sure I was catching a great runner here. However, the first trade of the market became a failure. Basically, I became the liquidity for the market makers. I started to debate, shall I quit trading now? It was it for me. I was sure of quitting trading. Why? Because this strategy failed and I stopped out. In the school, when we fail at an exam, we quit the school, right? All jokes aside, as you know, I can stop out 10 times in a row. But it does not matter. What we do, we always seek the next possible trade because we focus on the long run of 100 trades, not 1 or 2, 3 trades. Since I became the liquidity for the market, I have noticed we were building a nice power of 3 here. And where does the PO3 generally build? Right above imbalances, just like the one inner imbalance here. What I have noticed here was masterclass level price switch, which I taught you in the masterclass program. Rest of the trade was just a matter of risk and order management. Okay, do you remember the 30-minute BPR point which our indicator showed us earlier? I already knew that price was going to react around that area. That BPR was a great take profit point for me. And the rest of the trade is just classic price action. Okay friends, I hope this video was useful to you. Please take care and see you next time.